Oh, Axie Infinity holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video, I'm talking about Axie Infinity price update. What's the price? What's the price changes occur in Axie Infinity? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, guys, I request everybody to subscribe our channel for more update and news videos about Axie Infinity, guys. So, guys, let's start the video and let's go ahead. Guys, if you talk about the right now price of Axie Infinity in the market, so 128, oh my god, the price of Axie Infinity is very high in the market. You can see here 128.02 USD dollar. Furthermore, the last 1 hour update is positive 2.07%. The price of Axie Infinity pump. And guys, unfortunately, the last 1 week changes update of Axie Infinity is negative. But if you do the price chart, so I think, and right now situation, poly Axie Infinity start pumping. You can see here if you do this candle, so you can see here now the price pumping. But guys, remember, Axie Infinity has traveled like that, dump, and here you can see a pump, dump again, you can see gradually, now this pump gradually. But guys, the result is positive. I am sure, guys, you found Axie Infinity at the last of October positive, guys. So for all of my viewers, for all of my subscriber, those people who's holding Axie Infinity, so personally my recommendation, my suggestion for all of you is that guys, now the price of Axie Infinity is very high, so that's why I recommend for all of you to please hold, guys. If you decide to sell, so you can see right now situation, if you decide to sell, so you can see the changes is negative 4.59%. That's mean that you are in the loss, guys. But other side, if you decide to hold, so guys, possibilities that in the future the price of Axie Infinity will pump and you will get a huge profit, guys. So I think that never miss this opportunity, and obviously you will get a huge profit, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more update and news videos.